All right, now we're going to put the power of a quotient property to use. And we've got a 4/5. It's in parentheses, and it's squared on the outside. So that square right here is going to apply to the 4, and it's going to apply to the 5. Looks like this. It's 4 squared over 5 squared. 4 squared over 5 squared. Now think about what 4 squared is. That's 16. And 5 squared is 25. That was an easy one. A little harder with negatives. So move down to the next one. Now think about what this -3 means from our previous lesson. That -3 exponent is telling us to use reciprocals. So what we're going to do is we're going to, first of all, take one quick step. And instead of thinking this as -8/5, now what that means is this fraction is a negative fraction. So what we're going to do is make it still a negative fraction, but we're just going to apply the negative to the 8. Now, if you think about this, it still makes it negative, because -8 divided by 5 is a negative, divided by +5 is still a negative number. So this right here, -8/5, is the same as -8 over 5. We could have also written this as 8 over -5. It doesn't change. Now, let's split these up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the -8 and put it to the third power, or negative third power. We haven't really done anything other than just apply that -3 to the -8. Then we're going to take the 5 from the bottom, and we're going to have a negative third power on that. Now, we remember there was a little bit of a shortcut in the previous, maybe a couple lessons ago, that when we do this, what we're saying is all of this right here, let me get a different color, all of this right here, since it's on the top and it's got that negative exponent, is going to get sent to the bottom. But then all this stuff right here, because that also has a negative exponent, since that's on the bottom, it's going to get sent to the top. So here's how we write this. This is, the 5 is going to go on top, so it's 5 to the third power over -8 to the third power. Notice that all that's happened here is we flip-flopped, and now these exponents are a +3. So 5 to the third power, 125. A lot of people know that one. -8 to the third power, if you think about what 8 to the third power is, I might need a calculator for that one, but it comes to 512. Now, since this is -8 times -8 times -8, that's a negative number, so it's going to be -512. And if you're going to simplify this one, this is actually okay, but a lot of people don't really like to have a negative on the bottom, so we usually either put it on the top or out here on the side. So it's -125 over 512. And I don't think that can be simplified. So we'll call it the answer, -125 over 512.